All right, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 20th of September, 2024. I'm going to give you my $45 DraftKings stock prediction, and it may actually shock you. Now, you guys can see on the chart right now that I was expecting DraftKings to go up in price. Here it is today. The market is almost hitting our ultimate TP price, but we're definitely in the right track. We're on the right track, shall I say. Now, before I break this down, if you guys appreciate my content, my videos, at least someone's showing you there's an easier way to play this game, then go ahead and follow me, subscribe, hit the like button, and also share the video for more of this content to other people that you feel could benefit from this news. All right, so now, yeah, you guys can tell it and you can see it. Back in let me see this time frame. August the 26th was around the time I did this price prediction, looking for DraftKings to go higher in price. That is where we are at today. The market even has taken out this particular sell zone right here, which is another bullish indication to show us that DraftKings wants to go up. Now, the next target will be around $45. The market currently is chipping away at this next sell zone, so let's get rid of this one. And the market currently is working to eradicate the sellers in this zone. Okay, now my idea to you, or my question to you, would be, how does this market look? Does it still look bullish, or does it look bearish to you? Because as we see the market in DraftKings hitting its sell zone, take 8% out the market. Yeah, take a little bit off. We're actually winning. That's what we're supposed to do in this game called trading and investing. We're supposed to be winning. This is a winning prediction right here. So take some off, 7.95% right there. Now, let's look at the market in DraftKings on a couple of time frames. Let's start off real quick on the 2-day time frame. We're going to try to make a determination if the market is still bullish or is it becoming more bearish. What do you guys think on these 2-day price bars? Do you think it's bullish or bearish? What about on 3? This looks pretty bearish and is right around this particular area that we should see selling. That is pretty bearish right there. Here it is on the 4. Here it is on the 5. So we got to come up with the idea. Okay, what do we think? Like, what are the chances of us seeing the buyers break this zone in DraftKings? If it breaks this particular sell zone, then our next idea would have to move it up here towards this next sell zone, which is on the low end, $43.43, all the way up there to $44.50 or $45. What do we think price in DraftKings is trying to do? Do you think it's going to make it? Do you think it's going to break this first sell zone? Here is DraftKings on the weekly time frame. What about on the 2 weeks? Now the 2 weeks look pretty bullish. Now we have 9 hours and 7 minutes, so we got to get the market at least that much time to print. But if it prints the way that it looks now in DraftKings, I will have to say, yeah, we're still looking for some higher prices. Okay. Here it is on the 3. DraftKings on the 5 weeks, and here it is on the monthly chart. Okay, 10 days left. The market definitely looks pretty bullish in DraftKings on the monthly time frame, but we are not going to rely on that right now. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. Okay, so I do think the market in DraftKings wants to go higher. Let me go ahead and do another sell zone. It's going to be a small one. I see one right around there. Okay, because that's going to be one of our targets in DraftKings. Okay. Let's look at this on a longer hourly chart. Let's look at this on the 11 hour. So yeah, market currently looks pretty bullish. Do this on a 13. So what do you guys think? Are you still seeing higher prices in the horizon, on the horizon? What do you see? To me, I think so. But what we're going to do is we're going to try to create a couple of buy zones though. Okay, so we're going to make that a buy zone. And definitely one right here. All right. So now let me go ahead and extend of this price prediction here to this next sell zone. Okay, we are actually seeing price in DraftKings break this downtrend line, so we'll need to keep that here. And our only issue now is going to be these two sell zones before we see the market try to hit this sell zone up here around $45. Okay, so again, as we continue to see the price progress, take some off the table, right? If you see the market playing in your favor and is working out, because the next second, the next hour, the next day, these stocks can do something completely different. So while you have the profit, it's always a good thing to congratulate yourself. All right, so this is currently where I'm at in the market for DraftKings. I'm still looking for some higher prices. We have these landmines here for the market and our price prediction. If we see issues of buyers breaking these sell zones, then we know that the odds are coming against us. We already understand the reason why the market is not going up. There's only two dynamic forces at any given time in the stock market: the buyers and the sellers. Nothing more, nothing less. So we marked the territories of where we suspect majority of buyers to be and where the majority of sellers to be. And if the buyers are able to eliminate the sellers at certain areas, then we know that the market is still primed for higher levels. If they don't, then we prepare ourselves for lower prices. There's nothing more, nothing less. It's not hard. It's not difficult. So we're just going to play it out. We're going to see how it works. And if we don't see price in DraftKings break this first sell zone, we already know the reason why. The arrow's already pointing to the reason why. So you don't have to try to find some news article to portray to why price is going down. No, I'm already telling you the news. That's what I'm trying to get people to understand, is that before the news hit the streets, before a YouTuber comes out and creates some type of form of content, the news is already being generated off of the charts. It's already here. Give me your thoughts. All right. So that is currently where I'm at. So let me go ahead and save this. And you guys are up next. Comment section is open. Drop your price prediction for DraftKings. Where do you think the market is headed? Do you think it's going to continue to go up, or you think it's going to get rejected at these sell zones and continue to go lower? Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.